this is Megan, and I am back today to share my August scrapbooking store kit. So I'm super excited about this. We're doing another Echo Park Paper Company collection, and it's amazing. So we're gonna start with the paper. So this is Summer Fun by Alicia Whitcomb, something like that. I want to say this is a 2017 collection. I actually got this collection and I love it. I got this one back in, I think, 2018 when I went to the Scrap Gals retreat in Utah. It's really cold in my room, so I am going to put on my sweater, and then we are going to show you this kit. Okay. Whew, that feels much better. Okay, so like I said, it's called Summer Fun, and it is from Echo Park. So these are all of the papers that come in this cute little kit, and then you get the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Okay, so first up is this nice cut apart. It's got some fun little sayings on it. Well, hello, fun in the sun. This warm and lovely day was totally amazing because I was with you. It's a flip-flops kind of day. Summer dreams, warm sunny moments, summer treats. So much fun. Then we have this palm fronds and leaves on here. Okay, then next up is this gorgeous floral. I absolutely love this floral. I think I remember cutting, like fussy cutting all of these out. I don't think I used it as a full page. And then this is what the background looks like. I absolutely love this paper too. And then this one, I love all the pretty colors. They're so pretty. And then watermelon. So you get 2 of each paper, which is really nice because if you like both sides, then you can use both sides once. I don't think I ever got this paper though. This one. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. So we've got the ice cream cones on one side and then the wood grain on the other. Let's be honest, I will probably use the wood grain for both times. I love this one. I used this one to scrapbook some photos of my kids in 2017 actually, during the summer. And I love this stripe. The blue is just gorgeous. Another very pretty floral. And then we've got some polka dot pink on it. And then, oops, those two go together. And then here we go. And we've got the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So this one is a lot of fun. We've got some phrases, banners, some embellishments. This is a lot of fun. I am leaving in 2 days to go see Hannah when I am recording this, and so I am going to bring this kit with me, and I'm so excited to use it. So now let's show you. We also got the Echo Park I Love Summer decorative tape. And this is super cute. Let me actually see if I can pull it off and show you. Show you what it looks like. Ah. So it's got some cute pineapples on it. It's super cute. So I'm excited about that. Then we've also got this American Crafts Party Trim. So we've got some blue ribbon, satin ribbon, and then we have this cute little banner strip with some that looks like it's been stitched together, some twine, and then some rickrack. Then we also have the Dear Lizzie die cut shapes, and I'm not sure what collection this is from. It doesn't say which collection it's from, which is always really weird to me when it doesn't say the collection name on it. But we've got a bunch of different like frames and shapes and things going on here, so that is really, really fun. These are all of the different frames and pieces that you get here in this kit, or in this embellishment pack. So that is my August kit. I'm so super excited. I'm glad I got it before I went to Hannah's because I was a little bit worried I wasn't going to get it before I left, but I got it. So I'm going to get to work, and I hope you enjoy seeing my layouts coming up in the month of August. I'm a little bit excited to kind of slow down and just enjoy scrapbooking again, because let me tell you, July has been kind of crazy, but it's been a lot of fun too. Make sure you go on over and check out the scrapbooking shop. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. Make sure you go check out the scrapbooking store shop. I will have all the links below, and if you use my link, it kind of helps me out a little bit, so I would appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!